Hey guys, it's your girl Tiffany Michelle, and welcome to my first mukbang on my mukbang channel, Tiffany Eats, Tiffany Michelle Eats. And today I am doing a seafood boil. So I've been saying a little prayer silently because I don't do it out loud. Alright guys, so I'm finna dig in. So right now I did the seafood boil, and I have a video that's gonna be on my main channel, Tiffany Michelle, making the seafood boil. So what I got here is corn, some potatoes, shrimp, sausage, and snow crab. Yeah, snow crab. And so now I'm finna dig in and try this corn. I'll have some butter here. That is good. It is really good. I outdid myself. So good. Stuff going all around my chin. Okay, this corn up. So how y'all doing? I'm doing okay. Okay. Stuff all down my mouth. Let's try some. It's potato. Try one of these shrimps. One of these shrimps. This is so good. I outdid myself. This is my first time doing a mukbang. I mean, doing a seafood boil. Ever. My first time ever. That's good. I'm not really skilled at eating snow crab like this. I didn't even get no scissors or nothing. Oh, look at that. Came right on that. It's good. Crab good. Let's do another shrimp. Got a little spice to it. I admit that. Because I did put, well, I'm not going to tell you what I put in it. It's my secret. Unless you will go on my main channel and watch how I made this. This is so good. I did myself. Oh, I ain't tried the sausage yet. These are Kaneka sausages. I used to didn't think that these sausages were sold everywhere, but when I lived in Detroit, I found me some. I had to get them. So, for those y'all who don't know me, I'm Tiffany Michelle. This is actually my second channel. I have a vlog channel. It's called Tiffany Michelle. And I'm from the South. I'm from Alabama. 34. And I love to cook. Sometimes. Not all the time. But I like to cook. And bake. But on this channel, I'm going to be eating. On my other channel is a vlog and cooking channel. So. So. More about me. I'm an online student. I'm in school. Full-time online. Right now, I'm not doing too well. So, I'm trying to get there. But I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. So, I want you guys to leave comments below and tell me, like, what y'all want to see me eat. You know, I'm more than just gonna be eating just stuff that I cook. Potatoes is my favorite part. There's corn and potato. So damn good. Got a little spiciness to it. Hold up, y'all. I need to get me some paper towels. Hold up. Okay. Ooh. I think there's stuff going down my chest there. Ooh. This is messy. Oh, shoot. Can't even push my chair up. Oh, Lord. I didn't put 4 of these in there. Spiciness too. The red pepper flakes that I put in there. Now, I need to take a little drink. Ooh, it definitely got a little spice to it. Ooh, Capri Sun. And yes, I'm a 34-year-old woman that drinks Capri Suns. I don't care what y'all think. Capri Suns. I love these. I got a whole box over there. Capri Suns. I started drinking these because I'm trying to stay away from drinking all that soda and stuff. This corn good. Okay. I didn't even bother getting crab. I thought I was gonna get lucky and get a whole piece. Yeah. Ugh. That is so good. Ooh. Yeah, I don't really know how to eat these crab legs, so y'all bear with me. I'm learning. Because I rarely eat crab legs like that. But I really wanted a seafood boil, so I did my own. Instead of having to go and buy. I had already had these crab legs for a while in my deep freezer. Because there was like store-bought Walmart already fully cooked snow crabs. So I had some left over. And then I had already had some corn on the cob. And I already had some sausage. And I had already had these shrimps as well. So, and I had some crab ball in the cabinet. And so I went in, I got some potatoes. And I was like, I'm just gonna do me a seafood boil. So that's exactly what I did. I did a seafood boil. This good. Probably not gonna eat everything, but this is really good. I'm like so proud of myself. Woo. Good job, Tiffany Michelle. Good job. I ran out of that one. Luckily, I got another one. Hey, these Capri Suns good. I know I'm not the only 30-year-old drinking Capri Suns. I'm dropping stuff. No, I'm not the only 30-year-old drinking these. Woo! I think I'm like full, y'all. I'm gonna eat all these. I know that. Save it for my friend so he can eat off camera. But this, I gotta say, I really outdone myself with this. Like, It'll take no time to make. It's really easy to make. All you gotta do is get all the ingredients, all the stuff that you need, that you want to put in your seafood boil. Cause everybody do theirs differently. So I just made mine the way I wanted to make mine. You can make yours the way you want to make yours. I didn't have any lemons or anything like that, but I enjoyed this. This was really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang, my first mukbang on this channel. So, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So, with that being said, you all have a good day. Bye-bye now. Mwah.